Today the topic is biofertilizer. Biofertilizers are natural fertilizers that are microbial inoculants of bacteria, algae, fungi, which may help to nitrogen fixation for benefit of plants, and they help to build up soil microflora and thereby to increase the soil health. And these biofertilizers also include organic fertilizer, and use of biofertilizers is recommended to improve the soil fertility and for organic farming. And types of biofertilizers are bacterial, fungal, algae, aquatic fern, and earthworms. It is also known as vermiculture. In bacteria, there are two types of nitrogen fixation. One is symbiotic nitrogen fixer and another one is a free living nitrogen fixer. And in algal, blue-green algae in association with Azolla, Anabina, Nostoc, Oscillatoria. And in phosphate solubilizing bacteria, Pseudomonas bacterial are the strains involved in PSB, and fungal biofertilizer, example VAM, and in earthworms, that is vermiculture. Bacterial biofertilizer. These are living cells of bacteria that use it as a biofertilizer. These microbes that contain a unique gene called NIF that is capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen. And these nitrogen fixing bacteria work under two conditions. One is symbiotic and another one is free living bacteria, that is non-symbiotic. Algae as a biofertilizer. So another group of living nitrogen fixator are cyanobacteria. It is commonly known as blue-green algae. These nitrogen fixation takes place in specialized cells called heterocyst. It is more common in rice field. Unlike Azotobacter, these blue-green algae are not inhibited by the presence of chemical fertilizer. Azolla as a biofertilizer. Azolla is a tiny freshwater fern that occurs commonly in ponds, ditches, and rice fields. It is used as a biofertilizer in rice field in the countries of India, Thailand, Korea, Philippines, Brazil, and West Africa. These azolla biomass get doubled within 5 to 7 days by vegetative methods, increasing the crop yield up to 15 to 20% by using azolla as a biofertilizer in rice field, and it is heat and cold tolerant strain. Phosphate solubilizing bacteria. These are microorganisms which solubilize the fixed phosphorus in soil and make available to plants. This phosphate solubilizing biofertilizer are prepared from phosphate solubilizing bacteria and phosphate solubilizing fungi. This phosphate solubilizing bacteria, for example, Pseudomonas and Bacillus polymixa, and fungal strains Aspergillus niger, Penicillium digitatum. Vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza, it is also known as VAM. This is fungal biofertilizer. The term mycorrhiza are taken from Greek language by scientist Frank in 1885. The mycorrhiza is a mutualistic association between fungal mycelia and plant root. It is a endotrophic, that is live inside the mycorrhiza formed by aseptate Phycomycetes fungi. It will help in nutrient transfer, mainly of phosphorus, zinc, sulfur, and plays a great role in inducing plant growth and increases the resistance to root-borne or soil-borne pathogen and nematodes. These VAM hyphae also help in retaining moisture around the root zone of plants. They possess vessels, that is sac-like structure, for storage of nutrients and arbuscular for funneling them into a root system. And mass production, VAM spores are isolated and mixed with sterilized soil, then it transplanted to pots and kept in 3 to 4 months in greenhouse and dried till it attains 5% moisture. Then the dried soil inoculants used for field application. It is used in soil treatment, root dipping, soil applications. And precautions, the store biofertilizer packets in cool and dry place that are away from the sun, direct sunlight and heat, and it uses the right combination of biofertilizer. Store biofertilizer packet in cool and dry place that are away from direct sunlight and heat, and use right combination of biofertilizer. And the rhizobium is crop specific, so use in specific crop and don't mix with chemicals, and use the packet before the expiry date. Advantages: it is the renewable source of nutrition, sustain soil health, and it supplement chemical fertilizer, increase the grain yield to 10 to 40 percentage, and low cost, so it is affordable by any class of farmer. Disadvantages is special care for long-term storage, and it must be used before the expiry date. And if other microorganism contaminate the recent carrier medium or growers using the wrong stream means it is not effective. And these biofertilizers lose their effectiveness if the soil is too hot and too dry. So concluded that the biofertilizer help in increasing the crop productivity and replaces the 25 to 30 percentage of chemical fertilizer, and it applied to seed treatment, seedling inoculation, set inoculation, pelleting, carrier based biofertilizer commercialized on large scale production.